This property in Herworth, just outside of Darlington, needed a full floor restoration. It was an engineered floor, and as you can see, the old coating was starting to fade. The customer also wanted to change the colour, and the floor was very unlevel too. It obviously been down a while, and with the weather and humidity, the floor had started to warp, and yeah, it needed some TLC. So the first job was to take the belt sander and to take off the old coating. We're working our way through the grits, starting off on a 40 in this instance. As you can see, the machines are all plugged into a dust extraction machine. This limits the dust for the operator and also makes the property more comfortable for the customer. And most people who get this work done always say how surprised they were at the little dust that there was. So this is the radiator. Now, the first day of the job, the plumbers were actually installing the radiator, and how easy it would have been to have sanded that first, but I just couldn't get access. So I had to use the edger and then some sort of fine sanding and scrapers to get around the downpipes. So here we are at the fine sanding stage. This is the buffer going back over the floor to make sure that everything's nice and level and even, and take out a lot of the scratches created by the belt sander. Here's the stain going down. It's like a chocolate brown. It was obviously applied and then ragged off, really exposing the grain. Here's the finished look. Really gorgeous, oak looking floor, where the grain, the knots, all of the character is coming through. We finished it off with a 1K ceramic lacquer, which gives it longevity and a really nice satin finish. This floor looked amazing and was completely transformed from what it looked like originally. On the next image, you can see the sheen, and this looks great but adds longevity.